Their names, can you tell them to me?
There's Thor.
Uh-huh.
And there's Iron Man. There's a guy there.
Which guy? What?
This is a guy with wings on it. And he
Oh.
looks like a bumblebee.
Okay.
But this says Hulk.
You're right. Who else is over there?
That's a bumblebee. That's Black Widow.
Uh-huh.
That is Captain America. That's Hawkeye.
Yeah. Who is the Hulk when he's a human, when he's not the Hulk?
Bruce Banner.
That's right. Who is Iron Man when he's not Iron Man?
Tony Stark.
Yep. Good job. Who is... Do you remember Captain America?
No.
No? Steven Rogers.
Steven Rogers.
Good job. Do you know who Batman is when he's not Batman?
Fanny.
What? Who's Batman when he's not Batman? What's his name? What's Batman's name in real life?
Fanny.
All right.
Bruce Wayne.
Bruce Wayne. Good job.
I'll get to the next page so you can know them. I'll turn the next page so I can know them. Do you know who's not those robots when they're not robots?
I don't know if they have a human alter ego, girl.
What do you think somehow? Are they going to be good guys?
No, they're bad guys.
Then how do you take those suits off of them?
It's just a robot. You don't take the suits off. It's machines.
Will you just open it up like this?
Probably.
Like an Iron Man suit for Taskmaster?
For the Taskmaster? Oh, the Iron Man suit for the Taskmaster? Maybe. Maybe that's how they work. I don't know.